Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem of dirty printout and dirty stains on a Kyocera printer. So what I'm going to do right now is to print out a test page for you to see how it looks like before we will fix the issue. So this is the Kyocera printout and you can see how dirty the page is. So basically this problem has to do with the drum. The drum is bad, the drum is weak. Over time, when the drum becomes bad or fails, it begins to print this way. So what we're going to do right now is to replace the drum unit, and this is going to be solved. But on some other models of Kyocera printer, the problem is actually from the heater unit, that is the fuser unit at the back of the printer. But in this particular case of Kyocera 2035 printer, the problem is from the drum. So to be able to do that, I'm going to remove the drum unit, and to remove the drum unit you have to take out the developer unit first. So the developer unit is out, and this is my drum unit, and I'm going to show you how to replace the drum. So to replace my drum, uh, you need to get a neat area, and then my drum and my blade. I'm going to be changing the blade too. It's advisable to change the blade, because if the drum is bad, likely the blade has gotten to the end, almost the end of its life. You can change the blade if you have the means to do that. So I'm going to take out this charger first, and then I will give me access to be able to remove the drum unit. So come along with me as I change this. It's pretty easy, but just follow my guide and you'll be able to sort out the problem. Okay, I've been able to replace it, so I'm going to test a printout now.